Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these sponged stripes. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this design, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean, dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using for the stripes are from Color Club's Halo Crush collection. The blue is Peace Out. The silver is Break It Up. And the gold is Smashing Review. And for my base color, I'm going to be using China Glaze Liquid Leather. So, in order to do these stripes, I'm going to be using a little wedge of sponge that I've cut. It's a little narrow strip, and I'm just going to be placing that directly down on my nail. I've got a plastic lid here, and I'm going to start by putting out a little bit of blue. I don't want to put out too much because I don't want to get too much on the sponge. I'm going to dip it in there kind of carefully. Like I said, not too much. You want to let some of the spongy texture come through, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that right in the middle of my pinky. I'm going to repeat that with the blue on all my nails, and then go in and apply the other colors next to it. Once I've completed all my nails with the blue, I'm going to take my little strip of sponge, cut off that used blue portion to reveal a clean end. It's the same width, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to the silver. The silver is going to go toward the tip of my nail, and once I've done that, I'm going to move on and apply the gold under the blue toward the base of my nail. Go ahead and clean up around the edges if necessary. I used a Q-tip to help remove those stubborn little glitters and then went in closer with my normal cleanup brush. And now I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's my finished manicure, and I'm really thrilled with how this reflects my inspiration, which was a dress that I saw Gigi Gorgeous wearing on Instagram. And I wanted to find a technique and a polish combination that captured the textured look. Like, it's hard to tell sometimes in pictures if something is actually textured or it's just a pattern. And of course, this manicure looks textured, but with the top coat, it's nice and smooth now. So it really is just a visual effect rather than a feel in this case. I don't know about the actual dress, but if you'd like to check it out, I will link that post down in the information box. And if you'd like to see the live stream where I did the testing for this technique, as well as the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube tomorrow on Monday, or it's available right now over on my Twitch channel. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.